Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Arunodayam Creations. Let us see practice paper 10 on 1 mark questions from Natural Resources chapter. First question. The symbol this is there on the item you bought. What does it instructs? So this symbol is there on the item you bought. So you have to tell what does it instruct. Next. Prepare 2 slogans on save water propaganda. Third question. Complete this table. Jatropha plant is useful for extracting biodiesel, and what is the use of Glycidia plant you have to write. Fourth question. What is sustainable development? Fifth question. Expand ICRISAT, ICRISAT. Sixth question. What are the 4 R's to save the environment? Seventh question. Expand IUCN. Eighth question. Suggest any 2 practices suitable to farmers with less water resources. Ninth question. This symbol denotes. You have to observe this symbol and you have to write what it denotes. 10th question. Prepare 2 slogans on Vanam Manam program. 11th question. What happens if forest area decreases rapidly? Next. 12th question. Suggest any 2 ways to conserve fossil fuels. 13th question. Natural resources are decreasing rapidly. Guess what will be the consequences? 14th question. Rahul remarked that different human activities are responsible for global warming. What might be the reason for his statement? 15th question. Write 2 activities which you are performing to save electricity. That is our practice paper 10. Pause this video here. Try to answer all the questions. After completion of answers, then cross check your answers with me. Now I am going to reveal answers. This symbol is present on the item we bought. This symbol indicates it is a recycle logo. It is a recycle logo and it indicates that the item we bought is prepared from recycled materials. The item is prepared from recycled materials, or the item can be recycled after we use. After using, we can recycle it. So it is a recycle logo. It denotes it. Next, 2 slogans on Save Water program. Like if you choose to save water, then water will save you. Water is the worth for the life on the earth. So like this, you have to prepare any 2 slogans on save water. Third question. Glycidia plant. It is used to make a soil nitrogen rich. So this plant helps in enriching the soil with nitrogen. Next, 4th question. Sustainable development. You have to write definition. When we use the environment in ways that ensure we have resources for the future, it is called as a sustainable development. We have to use resources in such a way that they are useful for our future also. Next, 5th question. ICRISAT, International Crop Research Institute for Semi-Arid Tropics. Next, 6th question. 4 R's to save environment. Reduce, reuse, recycle and recover. These are the 4 R's to save our environment. IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature. 8th question. 2 practices suitable for farmers with less water resource. Already they have less water. So how they can utilize that less amount of water? So how can they use? By constructing percolation tanks. So by constructing percolation tanks, they can store rainwater, or by following some irrigation techniques like drip irrigation and sprinklers irrigation. Drip irrigation and sprinkler irrigation use very less amount of water, so they can adopt them. Next question. This symbol denotes. This is a sustainable development symbol. Sustainable development. Next, slogans on Vanam Manam program. Like save forest, forest will save you. Grow plants and get fresh air. So like that you have to prepare slogans. What happens if forest area decreases rapidly? If forest area decreases, what happens? Soil erosion takes place. Soil erosion occurs and global warming also takes place. Next, suggest any 2 ways to conserve fossil fuels. Fossil fuels. So use alternatives to fossil fuels like wind energy, solar energy. Like that we have to use alternatives to solar energy, fossil fuels. Use public transportation. Public transportation like walking, bicycle riding, etc. You can use. Turn off lights and other electronics when they are not in use. So by that also we can conserve fossil fuels. 13th question. Natural resources are decreasing rapidly. Guess what will be the consequences? Vehicles running with fossil fuels become useless. Electricity production will be stopped, so that we have to stay in darkness. 14th question. Rahul remarked that different human activities are responsible for global warming. What might be the reason for his statement? Yes, some of the human activities are responsible for global warming, like deforestation. We are cutting down the forest areas, it results in global warming, obviously. Industrialization, urbanization also leads to global warming. Industrialization and urbanization. Okay. Last question. Write two activities which you are performing to save electricity. So you have to write your own activities you are doing to save electricity, like put off fans and lights when they are not in use. Use energy efficient bulbs like LED bulbs to save electricity. Okay, that is about our paper. Okay, hope it is very easy for you. Don't forget to comment your marks in comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Jai Hind.